don't take last name, birth date. So projection, it enables you to choose a specific data of specific columns, but no duplicates with the projection. So the projection is second one. We will explain each one in detail throughout this lecture or not tomorrow. Renaming this operation, unary operation, can help us either to change the name of the relation, to change this from person to student, for example, to change the name of the relation, or the renaming can help us to change these attributes or columns of the relation schema. So rename, either change these or change the name of the relation. However, in the second part, binary operations, we say binary, it means that the operation applied can be applied to two relations or more. Okay? For example, union. I may create union or do union for two tables together. I can't do union for one single table or relation. I can't do intersection for only one table. Even for the difference, even the cross product. We will uh, explain each one of these in detail. So binary operations are operations that are made or applied to two relations, to two tables. There is set operation. These set operations can be union, intersection, difference, cross product, or Cartesian product. However, on the second part, relational, this is set operation. It means that they are based on set. The set is, for example, set A equal 1, 2, 3, set B equal 3, 5, 6. If you do union, you will add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Intersection, there's only 3 intersection. The only 3. The difference, A minus B or A difference B, it means that the thing that exists in A and doesn't exist in B. So if A is 1, 2, 3, and B 3, 4, 5, what's in A and not in B? It's 1, 2, because the 3 is in the intersection. We don't take it. 1, 2 doesn't belong to B, to 3, 4, 5. So the difference is 1, 2. Cross product, we will talk about it in a bit because it needs really attention. Relational algebra operations. We can use two things basically, the join operation and the division. However, the join, what does it mean, join? Join, it means that I want to create a new larger relation when some conditions are met. Join, it means that connect, وصل. For example, if relation A from 2 columns and relation 2 from 3 columns, if I join them, they will have a new relation consisting of 2 plus 3, 5 columns. We will talk about all these things in a moment, okay? So, selection. We are going to explain each one in detail, okay? Don't worry, you will understand everything with the examples. It's easy, it's not difficult. It's easy, relational algebra. Selection, and there's a word restriction. We will understand what's restriction it means. Unary operation, as you see, unary operation, selection, projection, renaming. The notation of the selection, when you see this sign, sorry, this symbol, it means selection. We always do this way, selection, and there is selection condition, and the name of the database that we want to work on. So, for example, select personal ID equal or first name equal Karim on person. Here, this is an example. This is the condition that you want to apply when you want to select from relation R some information. Selection condition may have Boolean additions, conditions, and, or, and not. For example, first name equal Karim and last name equal uh, Ram. Or this selection condition may also have personal ID equal 10 or first name equal Shadi. You see, we, for example, could be select select personal ID equal 1156 or birth date greater than 2002. You see, we combine and or not with greater than, less than, equal, and all these things. And also, these conditions may have and, or, and not, and also has clauses of the form. How does it, how could it be? It could be attribute name, comparison operator, constant value, or attribute. For example, attribute name, comparison operator, equal, less than, not equal, greater than, less than, or equal. Constant value, I mean here, it could be less than or equal to 100, greater than or equal to $1,000. Price is greater than or equal to 200. Okay, or it could be equal sign. For example, I want first name equal Karim or last name equal Shadi. You see, this is not constant value, a numeric value. It's about first name equal first name, or last name equal last name, or product ID equal product number or ID. So it's about attribute. So select from person, select the condition first name equal last name on person. This will select all the attributes. This will provide you a new table with the relation called also person or whatever, where first name equal last name, this is only these two, and no, only these two. So the new relation for this will be this and this. So we have talked about select first name equal last name on R, on person, in this case R. Okay, so we go here. You understand? So it's clear. And also this selection can be applied independently to each individual tuple in operand relation. What does it mean this? For example, you can say, I said to you here, I said to here, select first name equal Karim. I said select first name equal last name on person. What I write. So SQL will compare first name, last name, and if they are equal, he will provide or write this new column. I may say it, I can create two relations here. How? I can say select first name equal Karim and last name equal Karim. You see how I entered the Karim to first name and Karim to last name. Or I can say select condition first name equal last name. So it understands that Karim, Fadi, or whatever. This is just an example. Or if I, for example, say select first name equal Karim on R, it will provide me all these things. Karim here, right? And another relation, I say another select last name equal Karam, Karim here. This is Karam, not Karim, sorry. Last name equal Karim on person. So as you see now, we have only two things. Karim here for the first name and Karim here for the last name. Then we can use the condition for both of them. So the result of the selection condition R is a relation S. Always the result is a new relation. It can be the same relation, but in general, when we do selection on relation R with some conditions, we create in fact a new relation. We call it, for example, S. Having the same scheme as R, okay, with a subset of tuples of R that satisfies a selection conditions. As I told you here, select first name equal Karim on relation person. So this first name and last name Karim, this will create the same scheme here, and with also it will provide me with this line. So as you see, for the new relation that we have created on this select, when first name and last name are Karim, they have the same relation scheme, because this one we will take it, this one will take, this one will take, this one will take. But the cardinality, the number of rows is less than or equal to the number of cardinality of this table. So in this table we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cardinality is 5 rows. But for the new relation,